Good day, dear learners and viewers at home. As part of the continuation of the topic integer, today we're going to add a little of statistics. And today I want to start with addition and subtraction of integers. In the example below, we have positive integer and negative integers mixed together. And what do we do? The signs are like and unlike terms. To solve this question, the first thing we do is we pick the positive figures first. So this is negative, we pick this positive, and this is positive. And therefore we have 10 or plus 10 plus 40. Then the negative integers now follows. Minus 15, minus 20, and minus 5. This is step 1. The positive integer in front, the negative integers at the back. Next step, we add the positive integers, which is this and this. And that gives us 50. If we like, as I said earlier on, you can put plus in front of it. If you like, you can leave it as 50. Now, the negative integers, what do? We add them without considering the negative factors first. So 15 plus 20, and that gives us 35. 35 plus 5 gives us 40. So we have 40. And because they are negative integer, it means it will be 40 away from the 0 on the number line. Therefore, it is minus 40. Now, plus 50 minus 50. This is positive, this is negative. We can take 40 from 50, and the answer is 10. And that's our final answer. And these can also be written as plus 10. But preferably, we write 10. But there's nothing wrong by writing plus 10 as the answer. And I still want to remind you, assuming the positive, as we have 50 here, is lower than this. Assuming when we reach this place, the answer is minus 50 plus 40. The same way we did this, the same way we're going to do this one. It's still going to give us 10. But this is minus 10. That's assuming this is negative. It is possible. We take the positive from the negative and we have negative 10. Thank you. This is how to solve addition and subtraction of negative integers. Further, we move to example 2. Our example 2, the question states this. On the coordinate grid, point P is moved 7 squares right and 2 squares down. What are the new coordinates of point P? Now let's go to the question proper here. We can see it sketched on the board here. This is P. And the coordinate here, each square from here, the point of intersection is 0. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Arrow tells us, etc., etc. Now we go to the y-axis. This is x-axis, and this is y-axis. This is positive, this is positive. Far left is negative, and down is also negative. So we go up now, because P is in the first quadrant. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So point P is on 6. It can continue, but 6 is where point P is. Now, the question says if it moves, if point P moves 7 squares right, 7 squares right, meaning moving to the right. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So P will be here. Now the question has not ended. He said, and 2 squares. 2 squares down. So we're going to move down by 2 squares. Meaning, from this point we come down. 1, 2. And this is our new point. So P is now here. What are the new coordinates of point P? Our answer is P from the x-axis. This is, trace this down to the x-axis, and that is 9. Comma. Trace this point to the y-axis, and this is 4. So 9 and 4 are the coordinates, meaning 9 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis will be the new point P on the graph above. So this is how to solve questions on statistics when it has to do with coordinate points. And as I told you earlier, points here are negative. And I told you it's first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. See you in our next class. Goodbye.